I'm going to demonstrate how to make a reusable face shield. The final product will look something like this. To make this, I bought some polycarbonate roll from Bunnings. I'm cutting the polycarbonate into pieces 340 millimeters long and 230 millimeters high. You can see I've beveled the edges around here. The quickest way to do this is to cut one 230 mil strip first and then use this as a ruler to mark the other strips. You can then take your template and mark out template cutouts on your strip. Take your blank and use a paper hole punch to punch a hole, one on each corner at the top. Next, you need to peel off the protective coating from each side of your blank. I'm then going to put the headband on. The easiest way for this is to use a strip of rubber which has adhesive on one side of it. I'm going to cut the rubber so it's slightly short on each side of the holes that I've made. I'm going to make this 2 layers thick so that you've got enough room to wear a respirator underneath it. Peel off the tape. Peel off the backing tape. Stick this along the top of your blank. The edges on your blank will be slightly sharp. Take a sanding block and sand the edges. I'm going to cut a piece of elastic 500 millimeters long and tie a knot in one end. The other end I'll make tapered. Thread it through the hole on one side. And back through the hole on the other side. I've deliberately made this too long. Don't tie a knot here yet. This is the finished product. Put it over your head and you can tighten by pulling through the PVC. If you want it to be more secure, you can tie a knot. I've deliberately made it too long so that people can adjust it for different head sizes.